Tennis. Ten-is. Tennis. Tennis. Basketball. 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 Basketball.
Vincent's screen, now Reeves will go up against Curry. Nice ball rotation to the open, Vincent for the three. Picked up.
Soccer. 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 Soccer.
La diagonal aquí jo crec que el primer minut.
Baseball. 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 Baseball.
He's at the track, it's gone! Opposite field, two-run homer for Ike Irish, his third of the season, and the Tigers take a 2-0 lead. Another 3-2 pitch with the bases loaded and no one out. Coming to
Volleyball. 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 Volleyball.
It ain't for the faint of heart. Gotta keep going hard.
Softball. 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 Softball.
Fly ball. And what a catch! Bends over the
American football. 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 Football.
And Barnes looking downfield, takes his shot, launches for money. Parks, who catches it in stride. What a start for Barnes on the.
Rugby. 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 Rugby.
Quick hands. Here's Retelling. Throws a dummy. Retelling running like an outside back. His fourth test try.
Got him on side, so.
Cricket. 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 Cricket.
Beautiful. This is vintage Ravindra Jadeja. The angle bringing the ball in and just turning.
Table tennis. Table tennis. Table tennis. Table tennis. Golf. 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 Golf.
Got through cleanly. What a shot. It's an incredible shot. What by Schwartzel. That was phenomenal.
Handball. 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 Dodge ball. Dodge ball. Dodgeball. Kick ball. Kick ball. Kick ball. Lacrosse, 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 lacrosse.
Has to take on a different definition, a different life form if you're Johns Hopkins.
What a shake by Javon Johnson, the freshman. He had 2 on Saturday, and he's got 1.
Field hockey, field hockey, field hockey.
The United States looking for their first win, while Spain is coming off an inspired victory yesterday against Great Britain. The U.S. has the ball on the move early here, and they're already into the circle. Quick feed towards the middle from a captain, Amanda Golini.
Polo, 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 polo.
He's going to get it up here to Peke, or give it to Peke. Peke's going to shoot right here.
Running, 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 running.
Who runs the best bend? And Bolt has gone well out of the blocks, and he's already closing down Dinks on the out.
Relay races, relay races, relay races.
Now, and TT Terry is making up ground. Gabby Thomas has given the exchange and had to wait a little while.
Yeah, that exchange took a little longer than they would have wanted, so it's Great Britain out front. They will hand off first.
Amy Hunt.
Hurdles, 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 hurdles.
Gun goes up, and just like that, we're 12 seconds from an Olympic champion. Nasai Russell's running very well. Visser's fantastic. Here comes Camacho Quinn.
High jump, high jump, high jump. Long jump, long jump, long jump.
Here, well, sometimes you can certainly lose it. And what you can do is just put the flag up and tell the field, hey, you're going to have to beat me if you can just get one out there. Greg Rutherford, the defending gold medalist, he's ready to go.
Possibly a no jump there. Looked like he just...
Pole vault, pole vault, pole vault, pole vault. Shot put, shot put, shot put, shot put. Discus, 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 discus.
World leader getting closer to 70 meters all the time. Oh, that looks another big one. Yep, that's a bit closer to 70 meters as well. Sandra Perkovic, final round of the discus. She's got the gold medal.
Hammer throw, hammer throw, hammer throw, hammer throw.
Getting a couple to pars and a couple of bronze. Litvinov for Russia. Of course, again, a tremendous Russian tradition. The USSR have won this title 3 times, with 3 silvers, and Russians have taken 3 bronze medals. And that's Litvinov getting things underway.